Hello children, in this video we will cover the chapter the Southern Plateaus and the Islands. In this lesson we will read about the Southern Plateaus and the two island groups. So first we will understand what is plateau. A plateau is a raised flat land with steep sides. Its top is like a table, that's why it is also called tableland. You can see in this picture, this is a picture of a plateau that has flat top and steep sides. That's why it is also called tableland. The Southern Plateaus are located to the south of the Northern Plains. They are triangular in shape and are surrounded by hill ranges. The surface of the plateau region is rocky and uneven. You can see rocky plateau, rocky region and uneven. It is not same. It is uneven. Most of the rivers in the Southern Plateaus are not as long as those in the Northern Plains. They, however, flow with great speed. On their way, they form waterfalls. In this map, you can see the location of the Southern Plateau and the islands. The Southern Plateaus are located to the south of the Northern Plains. They are triangular in shape. You can see this shape. This is triangular. The distance north to south is 1600 kilometer and east to west is 1400 kilometer. The Southern Plateau is surrounded by hills. River Narmada roughly divides the plateau into two parts. You can see here, this is River Narmada. It is written River Narmada, which divides this plateau into two parts. One is Central Highlands, another is Deccan Plateau. Central Highlands towards the north and the Deccan Plateau in south. River Narmada roughly divides the plateau region into two parts, the Central Highlands towards the north and Deccan Plateau towards the south. The Central Highlands, we will read about it. The Central Highlands are surrounded by the Aravalli Hills towards the north. You can see here Aravalli Hills towards the north. The Vindhya Range towards the south. The Vindhya Range towards the south, the Chota Nagpur Plateau towards the east, the Rajmahal Hills towards the northeast, the Malwa Plateau lies in the center. Many rivers of the Central Highlands join the Yamuna and the Ganga from the south. Chambal, Betwa and Son are a few of these rivers. The Chota Nagpur Plateau covers Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northeastern Chhattisgarh. The region has large deposits of coal and other minerals. Now we will read about the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau extends from River Narmada up to the southern tip of peninsular India. Anaimudi is the highest peak in this region. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. You can see in this map the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. See, Eastern Ghats. These ghats meet at the Nilgiri Hills. Many rivers such as Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originate from the Western Ghats and flow eastwards. The Eastern Ghats are broken into small hills ranges by rivers flowing from the Western Ghats. Most of these rivers fall into the Bay of Bengal. Godavari is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau. In the next video, we will read about the life in the region. Till then, you revise it. Thank you.